Across almost every niche, some channels are pulling in millions of views consistently. At first glance, their videos look simple. It's not luck, it's a strategy. And today, I'm going to show you how to reverse engineer their success using a free AI tool from Google. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate viral video ideas, scripts, and content. These creators use proven hooks, smart video structures, and powerful storytelling techniques to keep viewers watching until the end. Their growth isn't accidental. It comes from studying what works and repeating it the right way. In this video, you'll learn how to use Notebook LM, a free tool from Google, to break down any successful channel and turn it into a personal content engine. With it, you can quickly create original video ideas, clear outlines, and full scripts in minutes, without copying anyone and without guessing what to post. The first step in the process is choosing a niche. For demonstration purposes, the finance niche is used as an example. However, the same method can be applied to any niche. Next, a successful YouTube channel in the finance space is selected for analysis. The channel is called Nick Invest. It was created only a few months ago, but has already gained over 100,000 subscribers and millions of views. To understand what is working on this channel, the creator starts by analyzing its top-performing videos. She clicks on the Popular tab, which sorts the videos from highest to lowest views. Using a Google Chrome extension called Grab It, she copies the URLs of multiple high-performing videos. Only videos with over 100,000 views are selected. The extension allows multiple links to be copied at once, making the process fast and efficient. Once the URLs are copied, the next step is to open Notebook LM by visiting notebooklm.google.com. If this is the first time using the tool, the workspace will be empty. A new notebook is created, and the Websites option is selected. All the copied YouTube links are pasted into the tool and inserted as sources. Some links may fail to load due to browser extensions like vidIQ. These failed sources are easily removed using the three-dot menu option. After cleaning up the sources, the notebook is renamed. In this case, it is called Finance Content Hub. Now the real analysis begins. A detailed prompt is pasted into Notebook LM, asking it to analyze all the videos. The goal is to identify title patterns, hook styles, audience behavior, video structure, retention techniques, and thumbnail design. Once submitted, Notebook LM processes the data and generates a detailed breakdown. It highlights audience demographics, topic pillars, hook patterns, and content themes that are performing well. This information is extremely valuable because it shows what type of content resonates with viewers in that niche. Next, a second prompt is used. This prompt asks Notebook LM to generate 10 original video ideas for a new channel in the same niche. It also requests multiple title options, thumbnail concepts, and a breakdown of what each video would cover. The key point here is originality. The tool does not copy existing videos. Instead, it reverse engineers what works and produces fresh ideas using the same successful structure. Multiple title options are provided for each idea. This is important because YouTube allows creators to test different titles and thumbnails to see what performs best. Once a preferred video idea and title are chosen, a final prompt is entered. This prompt asks Notebook LM to generate an 8-minute script using the selected idea and title. The tool then creates a full script, including the hook, intro, and main content based on proven structures. Before using the script, it is important to review it carefully. Some details, such as names or references, may need to be corrected or personalized. Once finalized, the script is saved as a note inside Notebook LM. This ensures it can be accessed later and reused as a source. The final step after this is video creation. The script can now be used to produce a faceless video using external tools for visuals, voiceover, and editing. To generate the video, the creator first clicks on the three dots labeled Convert to Source. Once this option is selected, the script is added as a source inside Notebook LM. Next, all other sources are turned off. Only the script is kept active because it will be used as the main foundation for the video. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is a section called Video Overview. The creator clicks on the Edit button, which opens the video creation settings. At this stage, Notebook LM asks what type of video to create. There are two options, an explainer video or a brief. In this case, an explainer video is selected. After that, Notebook LM shows several default visual styles. These styles control how the visuals of the video will look. One popular option is the whiteboard style, which keeps visuals simple and easy to follow. If more customization is needed, the custom option can be selected. This allows the creator to describe the visuals in detail, including color schemes and design preferences. All of these settings can be adjusted later if needed. For this example, the whiteboard style is chosen. Once the style is selected, the creator clicks on Generate. Notebook LM then starts generating the video automatically. If the daily limit has been reached, generation may pause. To demonstrate the result, the creator plays a video that was generated earlier. The example video starts with a strong hook. It presents a relatable financial situation and immediately challenges a common belief. This shows how Notebook LM uses storytelling and proven structures to keep viewers engaged. Although the generated video looks polished, it is important to note that it does not always follow the script word for word. Notebook LM uses parts of the script to build the video automatically.
It honestly feels like a cheat code for building wealth. You know the feeling, right? You work hard, you do your best to save, but it feels like every single time you get a little bit ahead, bam!
If a creator wants full control over every word, the script must be exported and used outside of Notebook LM with a different video creation method. This process is covered in a separate tutorial. Once the creator is satisfied with the generated video, the next step is to download it. Clicking the download button saves the video directly to the computer. At this stage, the voice used in the video cannot be changed inside Notebook LM. However, the voice can easily be replaced using an external tool like 11 Labs. To do this, the creator logs into an 11 Labs account and selects the voice changer option. The downloaded video file is then uploaded and a new voice is chosen. Once generated, the video now features the selected voice instead of the original one. If further changes are needed, such as trimming scenes or adding effects, the video can be imported into any editing software. While Notebook LM allows small adjustments to individual slides, advanced edits require external tools. One major advantage of Notebook LM is speed. It enables creators to generate multiple video ideas simultaneously. In under an hour, it is possible to create scripts and videos for multiple pieces of content. Creators can batch generate videos and schedule them based on their posting plan. This makes content creation more efficient and scalable. This completes the full process. Now, you know how to turn top-performing channels into your personal content engine with Notebook LM. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video packed with tools and strategies to grow your channel and income on YouTube. Thanks for watching.